Okay, I think this is actually my last wild camping beach in Thailand. I'll be going into Malaysia in about 2, 3, maybe 4 days. We'll see what Malaysia has to bring, but the wild camping has been on the beach one of my favorite things about Thailand. Just sharing, this is